The second week of summer will be the golden opportunity to gain some friendship points with the villagers during the luau. Putting a good quality crop into the soup will make everybody happy. I just put a standard radish in mine and they thought it was just okay. Throwing a good quality large milk in there will do the trick if you have one. On days 12 through 14, you will find extra forageables on the beach. The water will look kind of green. This does not have any effect on the fishing. On a rainy day up until 7 p.m. is a good idea to try and catch that red snapper you need for the bundles. Another fish you are going to need is a ghost fish, which you can find on level 20 or 60 of the mines on any day. Putting crab pots with bait in the river will get you the periwinkle and snail that you need. Don't forget to visit the traveling cart on Fridays and Sundays. I was able to get the rabbit's foot, apricot, and a peach for the bundles. Be on the lookout for that truffle. Upgrading your tools is vital. I tried to upgrade my most used tools first. After getting the steel axe, you can chop down the big logs, including the one blocking access to the secret woods. Be sure to take a weapon with you because there will be slimes. In the secret woods, you can chop down the big stumps for hardwood. You can also find fiddlehead ferns here during the summer only. It is here you will need to catch a wood skip for the bundles. These can be caught in any season and any weather. Building a coop is probably a good idea to build if you haven't by now. Put it next to the barn and buy some grass for more efficiency. While at Robin's, purchase yourself a workbench and a phone. The workbench can take crafting supplies from the surrounding 8 squares to craft items. Getting a phone will help when you need to know what items you need for buildings without having to go all the way to Robin's to find out. If you have a black bomb, then you can break open the wall that goes to the dwarf. You will, however, need to find and donate all 4 dwarf scrolls to the museum to get the Dwarvish translation guide to talk to him. Once you get to level 100 of the mines, you will get a star drop. This will increase your max energy levels. Speaking of energy, if you go into the bathhouse, you can recharge your energy and health in the pool by being still. Be sure to check out the lockers while you're in there. Abigail. Fun fact, you can chop down trees everywhere in the game except in town west of the river. These trees automatically respawn, which is a great way to get wood. You may have a chance of getting a book while chopping them down. If you like this Stardew Valley tips and tricks video, be sure to like and subscribe.